Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali. This is the new video of chat app series. So in the previous video we have successfully set a click listener on like button. When user click on this like button, it will change the color of this like button and also it will add the likes data to our Firebase database. So now in this video when we open our application, it will automatically count total likes of particular post and assign to this text view. So let's get started. First of all, open over load post. Here you can see here is method load post. So now here we will create the method inside this on bind view holder. So here we will create the method holder dot count like, and here we need to pass three parameters. So first parameter is over post key. So we will pass here post key, and second parameter is user ID. So user dot get uid, and third parameter is over like reference. So pass here like ref and press alt enter on this method to create this method inside this on my view holder. Here you can see my view holder, it will automatically create this method. If it will not create the method, you can create yourself. Okay, now first we will read total counts from the Firebase database, how many user like this post. So use this reference like ref dot child, and here we need to pass the post key. So here is our post key dot, we will add here add value event listener. So new value event listener. Now this time I used add value event listener, you can see here. So first put a semicolon here, and here we will check the condition if snapshot exists. Then what we have to do, we have to assign total counts. We have to calculate total count, and then we have to assign the total count to our comment counter, sorry, like counters. We have to create the int total likes and snapshot dot get children count. So put a semicolon here, and here we have to click and press alt enter to cast to int. Okay, now we have to assign this total count to our like counter. So like counter dot set text. So here we need to pass this total count and plus inverted commas because we have to convert it into string. Okay, now if data snapshot is not exist, then what we have to do, we have to show simply zero counts. So copy this line and here we will paste that. Okay, now this time we have to show zero likes. Okay, now this method is only for count likes. So now we have to change the color. By default when we open our application, it will automatically change the color too. So like ref dot child, and here we need to pass the post key dot add value event listener, new value event listener, and here we have to check over user ID is exist in this particular data or not. So if snapshot dot child, and here we need to pass over user ID. So pass here uid that we have get in this method dot, here we will check exist, then we have to change the color of that like button. So like image dot set color filter. So here we have to change the color dot green, otherwise we have to change the color into gray. So in else condition, just copy this line and paste it inside this else condition. Okay, now we have to change this into gray. Okay, now run the application and let's see it's working or not. Okay, our application successfully running. As you can see, our likes are automatically added, and here you can see our like counter is also working fine. So in this port, as you can see here, there is no likes. So I click on this like button. Here you can see one like is added. So if you log out this account and use any other account and click on this like button, then it will automatically added one more count. So in this way you can add or likes. My internet is little bit slow, that's why it's not fetching the images. So in the next video we will perform new task. So if you have any question according to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.